Okay, guys. So, yeah, what is my question? How system is determining this Z0 F2? Hello, everyone, please. Rajesh, at least you said, you tell me.
Uh, this is standard billing type you can use as F2 and the controls which we are using, no? Uh,
You tell me my question. Try to understand the question directly. Don't, give answer or reply answer like this. You simply say how system is. My question is very clear here. How system is determining this Z0 F2 automatically? Did I mention this? Did I select this manually? No, right? How system is determining automatically?
yes.
Slash OVOV8. Okay. Go to VOV8. What is the order type we are considering? CPUR, right? Go inside to this. Go to the billing section. Okay, billing type. So what is the delivery related billing type here? Z0F2 mentioned, right? So this billing type is
Yes.
assigned here under the sales or document type control at a delivery related billing type level, field level. That is the reason system is determining this Z0 F2 when we are creating the sales, invoice with reference to the sales order, which got created with reference to with the order type Z0 F2. Sorry, not Z0 F2, CPOR. Inside the CPUR only we have assigned this Z0 F2, right? CPUR. See, that's the region system is determining. Are you guys clear now? If people
Yes.
are not at all looking to the things we are covering, okay, no one is serious actually to get a job to make a good career. Not a single person. Very strange. Okay, so what I need to do now, I can cross check this document if any log is existing or any issue is existing here. No, no, not there. So we can save this document now. So again, it will give some warning message with that HSN and business place related. Just ignore it and save this document. Okay. So this is the document 4952 got generated. Okay. We can see the document right away here only. Okay. You can select this option and go to on the display document. Here you can see the accounting entry here, or else you can go to the document flow also. Okay, here you can see this is the invoice and this is the journal entry. Okay, so this is the complete cycle. So this will take hardly, for example, I want to create a sales order from the beginning, VA01. Let me go there. Okay, I'm not, I'm creating a sales order, fresh sales order now. Okay, so what is the sales organization CP01? This is P1, this is again P1. Okay, right. Let me create a sales order. How much time it is taking? Just have a look here. Okay, I'm giving my name here. Okay, so month. Okay, so what is the material code? I have this material code. Okay, how many quantities I am taking? I'm taking 50 quantities. Now hit enter button. Okay, it is asking to mention the payment term. Okay, so for example, here again question is, I want the payments or payment terms should come automatically. It should not give this warning message. How can I do this? How can I achieve this, Rajesh? I do not want system should give this warning message. It should come automatically. I don't want to put or maintain this payment term always here manually while creating sales order. How can I do that?
Uh, payment terms, it is. If you maintain in the material master, no?
Payment term is something where some terms and conditions will be there with, it's a kind of agreement with the customer when to pay or how the payment will happen. Payment term means terms and conditions regarding receiving payment from the customer. So this will never go to the material master.
Okay.
It's always related to the customer master.
Okay.
Okay, tell me, how can I achieve this? I don't want this message here.
Mm,
Very simple. I told you this is related to customer master. So select this customer code, go to slash o. BP. Okay.
BP.
Okay, put the number here, customer number, hit enter button, customer code will come here, double click on this. Okay, now you are inside the business partner of 1012 or customer 1012. Okay, now I need to go to the
Payment.
customer view. Okay, here also you can see payment term is something which will be mainly related to the
Payment
company code
transactions it
view.
is.
Okay, so
Yes.
that for that you can select the FI view also. Okay, go to FI view. Okay, go to company code. Okay, here we must have somewhere, see, customer payment transaction. Okay, here the payment term field is blank. Okay, let me go to the change mode of this one. Where is change? Yeah, change option. Okay, now put the standard one 0001. Okay, save this. It is coming under company code view. Okay, this is payment
Yes.
related means FI related, so FI view will come under company code view. Okay, if we know. Okay, any someone else, Banita is there or not? Banita, guys, when I'm calling someone's name, please respond me. Yeah, Banita is there. Okay, Pallavi is there. Pallavi.
Sir,
Okay, you guys tell me. I want to see the sales view. How can I see that? I want to switch this from this company code view to sales view. How can I
On
do
off
that?
this.
Vanita, you tell me. How can I see the sales view of this customer code or business partner? Vanita, Vanita,
sir.
You know,
not able to say. Your voice is not so clear. Come to the network range. Okay. Pallavi,
Hello.
can you tell me? Pallavi, can you tell me? Okay, guys, see the view inside the BP can be changed to the BP rule. Okay, we have to select the BP rule from FI to FI customer to
SD
customer.
custom.
Okay, once you will come to FLCU 01, the that sales view will come here. Okay, now see it is available now here. If you will click on this, then it will whatever the fields and tabs you are able to see now is coming under this sales area. Okay, see guy, Rajesh, here also we do have the payment term. Okay,
Yes,
terms of
yes.
payment. Okay, but this is applicable for a particular sales area. Okay, so whenever you will create
Okay.
a sales order with a reference, for example, you are creating a sales order with a different distribution seller or division, then if you have maintained some terms of payment here, then that will not be copied to the sales order creation screen. Okay, so now just save this document. Sorry, not document. This is the master. Okay. Now let's create another sales order. See here system was giving this error, right? Let's do this. Plus n VA01. Okay. Now creating this order again. I'm putting the customer number, customer or customer reference. Okay, that is nothing but PO number. Okay, I'm taking the material, giving quantity of 50 quantity. Now hitting enter button. Okay, it is asking again. So basically, it is taking from here. Then you need to understand it is taking from here. Okay, so 0001. Okay, save this document. Sorry, save this master. Okay, I created this, saved this. Okay, now let's again create slash n. See, these are the, this is how you have to do the testing. VA01. Okay, hit enter button. Take this, put this. Okay, take material code, order quantity 60. See, that message is not coming anymore, right? Are you getting that payment term related warning message? No, right? No, right?
No, no.
Okay, now you can go to this edit option. Okay, click on this one, select this. Okay, it is giving some incoterm related. For example, I need a incoterm solution as well. It should permanently income should not be asked by system. How can I do this?
In
Again,
Material Master, we have to maintain that is the incoterms it is.
oh my God, dear, you need to
Yeah,
understand
no,
what
no,
is
no. In
income.
BP, in
Yeah,
BP also we can. In BP, you can maintain that is
slash
BP,
n
BP.
bp. Okay, put that customer code here. Go to click on start option. Double click on this. Okay, we are already inside the sales and distribution view. Why? Because this sales area itself is coming here, right? So
Mm.
incoterm is something. Uh, just a moment. This is again a kind of agreement when the export process will happen, but still it is a master only. You need to mention here. Okay, so let me mention something CIF. Okay, CIF for example, I'm mentioning. Okay, so it will ask to mention the. Okay, let me save this. Location one is a mandatory field. Okay, so this needs to mention port port side or something like this. I'm mentioning. Okay.
Customer insurance and freight we can mention.
No, no, it needs to be no, we need to take the existing only. Okay. For example, one time location. Let me take this one. Okay. Okay. Previously in ECC there is no additional information it was asking, but here in S4 it is asking. Okay. So let's take the predefined information. Okay. Let me save this. Okay. Now Now, if you'll go to the sales order again, see, it was asking payment term to maintain, right? It was showing here you must complete the following data. Now let's create again VA01. Okay, go inside, put the customer code. Okay, let's put some POD number or 22 for example. Okay, now material. Okay, then quantity 60. Now hit enter button. Okay, it is asking open quotations per item, open quotations per item for this material. There is a open quotation. I don't want this message anymore. I want system should not give this message. How can I achieve this? Guys, tell me. I do not want
We
this
have to
pop up as well.
we have to go to the Vivo V8.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, next.
there QT that reference with in reference mandatory we have to remove that one with
Where
reference
where
quotation
where
in CP0 or you are maintaining, no?
Be confident.
Yeah.
CPOR. Don't say
Yes.
like this.
Okay. Inside you have to go that double click
Yeah, then what next?
this here reference mandatory we have to.
Is that just try to understand the message meaning of that message, na? Is it something open quotations per item? What is the message here for this material? 2492 is our material code, right? There is a open
Oh,
quotation. It is giving a message that you have a quotation. What is reference mandatory? Reference mandatory is something with the reference of that document only we can create a document. But it is giving
okay.
a message that a open quotation is there. System is checking for while creating the sales order. System is checking a
Mm,
combination and
mm,
finding okay and giving this information. We have a quotation, open quotation for this material code particularly. I
okay.
don't
Okay.
want this message, guys. The field I am actually discussing. If people are not going through those fields, see, here only message we have that control. Control message B. Quotation
Yeah.
message B. It means what? I detected this thing, right? Check at item
Yes.
level. Means material means item, right? It is checking whether any open quotation is available or not. Try to read the mean definition of this field what I discussed or detected. Okay, I don't want this information. Let me remove this then. Okay, let me save this.
Mm.
Okay, system should not give this message now. Okay, let me check that again. Go to va01. Okay, go inside. Okay, now go to this, put some PO number 3 maybe. Okay, put the material code now. Okay, put the order quantity 60, hit enter button. Okay, see this message also will not come, but as this is a different topic, we'll discuss later. But anyway, let's see, is there any other messages coming apart from that availability check? Not right. Hey, am I recording this session, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see, let me check again. Go to edit option, incompletion log. Okay, now it is giving this information. These are again some other topic. Okay, we'll discuss in the topic of delivery scheduling. Under delivery scheduling, we'll complete this. We'll see this. Okay, now let me complete these things only. Okay, these dates. Okay, I need to mention the goods issue date, means when I'm going to move the goods from our stockyard to the customer. Okay, that date. When the loading will happen, that date I need to mention. When the material is available, that also I need to check. Okay, and when the transportation plan is there, that also I need to mention here. Okay, all this we are doing at this point manually, but everything will come automatically when we will cover that delivery scheduling part. Okay, now continue. See that material availability check again is coming. Let me skip this or ignore this. Okay, now see document is complete. Okay, let me save this document now. Okay, so for example, now I want to create a sales order. So how much time system is taking to create a, or I'm taking to create a sales order? See, okay, I'm putting another number. Okay, now taking the material, taking quantity of 100 quantity, for example, enter. Okay, just execute this. Okay, and go to this option. Okay, again system is asking here to maintain these things. Okay, so okay, see. See, I created another order. How much time system is taking? Not even a minute, right? Now I want to create a delivery of this one. Okay, see, delivery. Okay, okay, it is showing. Okay, this is a error. Now it is showing no schedule line due for this delivery. No schedule line due for delivery up to the selected date. Where is the solution of this error, Rajesh? Where is the solution of this error, Rajesh?
Date is wrong actually. That is, you have to go
Which
to the
date?
schedule line
Okay,
in sales order, schedule line tab. Here the selection date it is there as one.
69 and VA02. Okay,
There
yeah.
it is the date. At least one day prior, no, it is the schedule date, schedule line date it is.
No, the error meaning is whatever the date is there for delivery, system is not meeting the date. System is unable to check whether the stock is available on that date or not. Either the date is not well enough to meet the requested quantity, or in other way also you can say maybe the stock is not available on that date, on the requested delivery date. Okay, that's what we can
Okay.
check. How can we check that? Just go to the line item schedule line. Okay,
Schedule lines.
so here you can see date is there but quantity is not confirmed, right? This is happening because we have not done the setup of this availability check. Okay, that's why it is happening. Okay, that we will
Okay.
check. Okay, now let me put this manually here. Okay, doing this. Okay, now save this. So what happened? Standard order got changed. Now I want to do the delivery. Okay, go inside to here. From here also I can do the delivery directly, right? Delivery.
Yes.
See, now system took me to this place, right?
Picked quantity also you have to.
Yeah, I need to give the picked quantity. Okay, hit enter button. Okay,
Post goods issue.
directly. Yeah, directly also I can do this post goods issue without saving the delivery document number. If I am clicking here, then system will generate two document at this moment. Okay. So as soon as I'll mention the picked quantity, also system will generate a document number for picking status. But at the same time, if I'm posting this, it will create the delivery document number, as well as, see here it is showing creation mode, means the delivery document is not yet created. Okay. If I'll click on this, see it will save the I mean create the delivery document along with the material document number. Okay. So previously what we are doing, we are creating delivery document separately and doing material movement or post goods issue separately. Now we created both the documents at a time, right? So if you'll go to the display mode again, go to display mode, for example, here again click on this document flow, you can see the flow. So this is a order which we created phrase, okay, without taking reference of any prior document like quotation or inquiry, right? So that's the
Yes.
reason the document flow is showing from the order itself. Okay. So now what I need to do, I need to create the
Invoice.
VF01 transaction or invoice, right? So
Invoice.
after the creation of PGI or delivery, as soon as you will execute the transaction VF01, system will by default take the previous delivery document. Okay, here, see I have not given it manually, system is taking that automatically. Okay, but meanwhile if you are doing some other things or other transactions or activities, then maybe this number will not copy to this by default. Okay, otherwise if you are doing this transaction right away after the delivery, then system will automatically copy this document to here. Okay, now I'm hitting enter button. Okay, so this also we can see, let's fix this issue. Can anyone tell me where we can maintain this HSN code? Where is the place? What is HSN code?
It is a unique code. It is actually.
Unique code billing document is also a unique code. What does it mean? Unique code means what? What is the unique code? What kind of unique code is this? Your answer is always half of the.
It is the government to identify the material categories, a type of materials. It is actually.
Okay, yeah, that's somehow perfect. Anyway, so that means we can fix this error inside the material master, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go to the material master. So how can I go to the material master?
MM02.
Can I go to the material master from here? Yes, I can go
You
from
can
here
go.
also. Okay, but that is until unless you save the document, it will not show. Yeah, it is not available now. So what you can do? Let's fix this error first. Okay, so I'll go to which transaction to fix this error, or fix which transaction can help me to fix this material master error.
MM02 it is.
Okay. Others, why? What about others people? Why you are not saying? Why people are not saying anything? Slash n mm02, right? Okay. What is the material code? 2492, right? Go inside to this. Do I need to select everything? Not required. Not required. Remove everything. You can select this cells while doing cells only, it is asking, right? So you can select these sales views. Okay, so international trade export is also a sales view, right? Select all these, click on this. Okay, it will ask you to mention the plant. CP01 is the plant, right? What is the sales organization? CP01 again, right? And what is the distribution channel? We have P1, right? Hit enter button. So here guys, directly go to this international trade export. Oh, sorry, it came to text. Yeah, here guys, see under this export view only this control code related information will come. Okay, so this control code is nothing but HSN code only. Okay, control code field is nothing but HSN code field only. Okay, so you need to mention some code here. Let me have check if any preceding code is available or not. Okay, it is a country specific key. Okay, so yes, for India we do have something. Okay, let me consider some. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, now hit enter button. Okay, do you want to save your data for this material first? Yes, I want to save this. Okay, it got saved now. Now let me create the invoice again. Okay, slash, and what is the T code to create invoice? Don't say Rajesh. It is for others actually. What is the T code to create invoice, guys? Guys, what is the T code to create invoice? I'm asking to others.
F01.
VF01, right? Slash n VF01. Okay. So see. Okay. Let's hit enter button. See, now that error is gone. That is not coming anymore. Another error, so not error actually, when you are, you can see this, what we call triangle with a yellow highlight, right? So this is something warning related. Okay, so you can ignore this one also. It will not give any or error, or it will not stop you to do this transaction. But anyway, this there is another setup for this business place. We will not go for this one at this point. Okay, we are just ignoring that hsn related warning. Okay, so now hit enter button. Okay, here you can see the net value is coming, material is coming, pair code is coming, invoice number is not yet created, that's why it is coming in this format. Okay, so net value is here, invoice quantity is here. Now let me save this document. Okay, hit enter button, got saved. So guys, you can see display document here, you can click and you can go to the document flow. See, the entire cycle or sales order process completed. And I am taking this much time because I am explaining everything. Otherwise it will take hardly 1 minute to do the transaction. Are you guys clear? Are you guys
Yes,
clear?
Sumant.
So so see, again I am going to the sales order. Okay, just to remind you guys, in sales order everywhere, see, one thing please, guys, notice here. This is the sales order, right? Everyone please concentrate here. Going to display document, this is the overview screen. Okay, if I'll go to this option, you can see header and item. Go to option, see header and item. Header again is divided into some tabs. Item is also similarly divided into some tabs. Okay, so what you understood, this sales order itself have two options at least at initial level, which is showing as header and item. Another option here is schedule line. Okay, this is the additional option here in the sales order level. If I'll go back to the delivery, then go to delivery again. Okay, display document. Here also if you'll go to option, here you can see header and item. That means this document also have this header option and item option, right? Guys, clear? If we'll go to the invoice again, okay, go to invoice, go to option. Here also we do have this header and item, which means every transaction at least you will find header and item option. Okay, guys, clear? Are you guys clear?
Yes, Sumant.
Hmm. Okay. Now for this schedule line, okay, so what we have covered. See, if you will go to the header, you can see the order type here. We have discussed this VO8 CPUR. Okay, we have discussed this item category, item category, item category, here item category 10. Okay, we have discussed this also. Now the time is to discuss this schedule line. Then this sales order process will be completed. Okay, sales order controls will be completed. We'll go to the schedule line tab. So what is the schedule line that we need to understand? Okay, so what is the schedule line? Okay, what is the source of this schedule line? Can anyone tell me? What is the source of this schedule line? Guys, I'm stopping this and sharing another link. Okay.